Hello, welcome everybody back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys a strategy that I used in the very beginning. You don't need any money, $0 to get started. And this is like I said, one of the ways that I learned to start making passive income online very cheaply. And it follows similar to private labeling or Amazon FBA's model. But the thing is, instead of using private label products that you buy from China, all you do is you're writing books. So Kindle ebooks, you guys ever heard of it? It's called Kindle publishing. A lot of people say it's dead, but I still make money from it every day and monthly. Passively, I no longer do it. I don't no longer publish any more books, but every month I still make passive income. So let me get down to it and show you guys how to actually find the books, how to create the covers, and how to get going with making your first passive income online without needing any money. Okay, so to get started, the website to actually sign up is kdp.amazon.com. So this website, you just sign up, and basically it's very easy. You enter all your information, and then basically you just publish your book on here. But I already made an account, so I'm not going to go through that, but it's very simple, step by step. So next you want to do is go on Google and download what you call DS Amazon Quick View. So it'll be this first one right here. And you download this one. Basically, this one, it shows you the BSR, which stands for bestseller rank. So you can find out how well that book is selling or how well that book is doing. So after you download this, it takes like 5 seconds. You go onto Amazon.com and you click on the categories, and you go to Kindle. Where is it at? Kindle store. So basically, you're gonna either be writing the books, or what I did when I first started was I actually hired people to write it for me on Upwork. But if you want to do it $0, you can just write it yourself. If you have more time than money, or you just want to do it on the side, you don't want to invest any money, you still want to earn passive income, you can just write the books yourself. Or you can go to Upwork.com. Let me show you guys a method. If you guys want this one, you just find freelancers that can write your books for you. Basically, it'll be like $100, or not $100, $1 per 100 word. So basically, you just hire people to write it if you don't want to write the books yourself. But in today's strategy, I want to show you guys basically $0 that you need to use in order to start making passive income online. So that's Upwork.com. So how to find a book that sells? You can either, if you just want to do it for a hobby, you can do romance books or fiction books. Basically, those books, they sell pretty well as well. But that's more for a hobby if you just want to do it as a hobby. But to show you guys, for example, how to find books that sell well. So let's just think of a topic. For example, you want to learn about business, or how to make money, just how to make money. You type that in, and basically up here, the top right, this one is a Amazon DS Amazon Quick View. With that one, you don't have to click each individual book in order to find the BSR, which is the right here is the bestseller rank. So basically, you want to find anything under 100,000 and lower. So 100,000 and lower, not 100,000 to a million, 100,000 to zero. The lower, the better. So basically, what you want to do is look at the top, the first page, at least like the 5 to 10 books. You want to make sure that they're under 100K to 150K, if anything. You see here how they have under 100K, under 100K, under 100K. Yeah, this one's over to 100K, but it's fine. It's not that. The majority, what you want to find is the majority of the bestseller rank to be under 150K, I'll say, at least minimum. So this one's really good. Everything's under 150K. These are sponsored. Well, even the sponsor word, I'm making under 150K bestseller rank. And the next thing you want to look at is just similar to Amazon private labeling. Basically, if you don't have the money to do Amazon private labeling, you can start with this because it's very similar steps. So basically, after that, you want to look at the reviews, and basically this is how you do the competition in your analysis. You want to look at reviews. So with Kindle publishing, basically you want to have even less than these reviews. So like 50 around's fine. Any you want to find books that has basically under 50. The lower the better. Um, when I first started about 2 years ago, you can find a lot of books that have under reviews. So even though this one only has 29 reviews, it's still on the first page and it's 92,000. So this book is making anywhere probably like $40 to $60 a month just alone on Amazon. So basically, you find a cover that's not so great as well. So you see, okay, like these covers are not that great. Then you can also beat them. You see how this one is kind of copying the 4 Hour Work Week, what it looks like right here, which is fine. You want to duplicate books that are selling well. So for example, this book here, it's doing how to run a coffee shop that makes money. So basically, if you don't know any, for example, any topics, you can just do click on Kindle ebooks here, and there's you go to bestsellers. Let me see if they have bestsellers on the side right here. Let's just go back to Kindle. So a good way too is you can just find out, just think of topics. You can just type it in and see if it sells well. For example, the first 5 to 10, you want to have good bestseller rankings. And then let me see here, Kindle books. Kindle books here. Or here, bestsellers and more. Right here is where you find books that have bestsellers. So you just have you just have, and for example, an idea of what books you can publish. So basically, you click here, and these are more fiction. Fiction sells pretty well in Kindle ebooks, but with fiction, you have to write a lot more. Depending if you love to write fiction books, it's not a problem. Let's go to Kindle ebooks. I'm trying to find how to get to the categories. Oh, here we go. So Kindle ebooks is actually where you want to go. You go to the left side here, and let's say you want to write business and money here. For me, I'm interested in business and money. So you can type in, click in business and money. So, for example, you see the 7 habits of highly effective people. Declutter your mind, right? So that can be a good title that you can go. So you can just go declutter your mind. So even here, when it drops down here, it shows you a lot of suggestions that you can write, or you can write about. So you can just click declutter your mind. So here you can see declutter your mind. The subtle art of not giving a fuck. That's actually one of the main books, or by author. See here, it finds you. Even when you type in here, you see a lot of different books that you can write. You see how this one has 13 reviews. Declutter your mind, and look how it's at 40,000, but it's selling at $2.99. Still, this book's making, I'll say, anywhere for $30 to $40 a month. And if you write a book, you want to write it anywhere from 20 to 40 pages long, depending on your niche. So here, this is actually a really good niche. Declutter your mind. Look, declutter, 14 reviews, under 150K. The life-changing magic of tightening up. This looks like an actual book. 13,000 reviews. Yeah, but this one looks like a decent one. The only thing is the reviews. But declutter your life. I think the reason this one's not selling that well is the cover is not that great. But you guys understand the point right here. You see the worry trick, how your brain tricks. So basically, you find a title that it sells under 150,000, and after that, so you want to find a good cover. The next thing you do is you can either go to Canva.com and you create your own book. So you create your own account, and then right here you click more. Right here, and you go to blogging ebooks. So let's just pick like this one. So let's say we want to do a book on decluttering your mind. So you want to do something like, for example, a trick or a image that fits well with your the cover of your book or the subject of your book. So like this one's pretty cool too. The Poetry Architect. So these are all free books, free covers that you can use, which is pretty awesome. So let's just find one that can fit. Just look around. I really like the first one up here, to be honest. So this one, you can just switch it up. So yeah, this one looks really good actually. So you just switch up the information here. So it just be like declutter your mind, written by, let's put me, Chuyi Mo. And you don't need to put your actual name. You can make a fake name. So let's just say they call it pen names. So you can just put like written by Sarah Green or something. So you can just put Sarah Green, and you can create a whole catalog, a whole niche around it, and have people follow you. And if they love your books, they keep following you. But look here, simple as that. You create a cover, you just download it, and there you go. You have the design. You just upload it into your kdp.amazon.com. Very fast way to create a cover right there. Or if you don't want to create your own covers, you can go to Fiverr.com, which you can pay people $5. So you just put Kindle covers, and here you can find a bunch of people who can basically do your covers for you for just $5. Here you can see starting at 10, 5, 25, 10. So you can just outsource it to people do it as well if you don't want to do the work. Basically, if you want to scale your business really fast, you want to outsource it to other people, you can just do Fiverr.com. But like I said, you can do this completely free. Everything's free. You don't need any money to get started. Basically, you just find a book, write about it, do research on it, or if you already have knowledge about it, you can just write about it. Create a cover, just upload it into Amazon, kdp.amazon.com, and basically that's it. So if you're interested in learning more about, for example, how to upload the books and what to do after you upload the book, comment down below, give a like, subscribe to this page, and I just want to find out what kind of things you guys want to learn, and I'll help you guys basically make videos on it and help you guys through the process. So thank you guys for watching. This is a great way if you have $0 and you just want to start making money online or start making passive income. This is a great way. Like I said, every month I still make money from this, even though I don't publish any more books. I'm more focused about Amazon, FBA. But this is a great way to get started, to just get your foot in the door, get your foot a little wet before you get started. Amazon FBA, because Amazon FBA, like I said, taking it for $3,000 to $4,000 to get started. So I said start with this, and like I said, if you like this video, give a like, comment down below what more you want to learn about, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.